Welcome. Today we'll see how to load Hyperion image in NV Classic. So first we'll go in the file, and usually we use open image file, but for Hyperion open external file EO1 SDF. Then here we are loading the .L1R image. So this loads all the bands of the Hyperion. Now it is having 242 bands. You can load all the bands by selecting a band and click on the load band. So 1, 2, 6, 7 are the bad bands, so it's shown the black image. Now select the RGB color. Previously we have loaded the grayscale image. Now in RGB color, we can select three bands R, G and B. Red, green, blue bands and load accordingly. File, save file as NV standard. Here we will import the file. This step is very important as we have to remove the bad bands. Select .L1R file that we have loaded. After clicking spectral subset, it's shown here 198 bands. These are the good bands, and our remaining 1 to 7 like this. These bands are the bad bands. That bands does not contain any information. So by default, this NV has given you 198 good bands and removed the not selected the bad bands. Along with this, I have found some more bands as bad bands, 122 to 132. These are the bad bands. So deselect these bands. Again, bands 165, 166 to 170. Like this, we have to deselect by pressing the control button. Up to 182, these are the bad bands. And remaining from 2 to 1, all the bands are bad bands. So I have selected 165 good bands, then click on OK. So spectral subset showing 165, then OK. Now here we can give the output file name. You can click on the choose button to select the folder. I'm having some problem here. You can see the problem. You might face a problem like this. Unable to write this file. The directory is invalid. Okay. You select the memory. It will stored in the memory. The result outputted to memory will exceed the total cache size. If your cache is full, it will also not save in the memory, so you have to empty your memory and then click OK. So it will be creating the image file in NV standard. Removing the bad bands is a very important step while dealing with the Hyperion image. These are the hyperspectral images having higher resolution, but while acquisition, some bands do not capture the data, so that are the bad bands. We have to remove those. After completing this step, your file without bad bands will be ready. Yes, you can click on the memory one and right click and load true color image, so that will load the true color image. Otherwise you can select the different bands and load the RGB. The best combination is 32, 33, 23 and 13 bands. So you can see the different combinations and load the RGB color. Now you can see there is no bad band. So every band is containing some information. By using the grayscale image, you can see that 27, 17 and 8 bands. So like this, you can load the bands. Every band is having its own characteristic, own information. You can use the band ratios for further analysis. (37, 33, 43, 33 and 23). Oh wow, now this is very good combination. Green color, pink color. Green color is showing the vegetation, pink color might be the bare land. Thank you.